Challenger. How
Look
could
at
you
those
go
two.
wrong with
Look
the
at those.
Challenger and a Charger right next to each other? That is. Look at
What
that.
y'all doing over there?
So, look at that. Who would not want that? Come on, guys. And next
Is that
to it,
dash
you have
sliding off there like that? Yeah.
There. I love Camaros. They have the most.
That's dash sliding over here. What do you want, fat man? What do you want? Stay over there. Why you can't stay right there? What you got? You gonna climb? You gonna flip that chair over? Look at your big self. You go here. Look at there. Who's that? Look at that Dust. He's a handsome guy. That Dust is a handsome. Look at Hazel. He's a pretty girl. He's a pretty girl. Look at my Dizzle butt. Oh my Dizzy. Lizzie Dizzy. And Donna Desher. Look at those two clowns. Look at them. That's the bad one right there. See him cutting up.